Shonda Paul and Blue Cantrell. Remix, I gon' make them heads swell, yo. Yo, hey, yo, boom, yo, hey, yo, dirty. So what's that supposed to be about, baby? Girl, free up your vibe and stop acting crazy. Reminisce on all the good times daily. Why you tryna pose like I be acting shady? What's that supposed to be about, baby? Girl, free up your vibe and stop acting crazy. Shonda Paul, I give it a good loving daily. Now you tryna pose like I be acting shady.
You say you love me, but you're never there for me. Yeah. You'll be crying, slowly dying when I decide to leave. All we do is make up, then break up. Why don't we wake up and see? When love hurts, it won't work. Maybe we need some time alone. We need to let it breathe.
So what's that supposed to be about, baby? Get free up your vibe and stop acting crazy. Reminisce on all the good times daily. Why you tryna pose like I be acting shady?
You're only lonely when your homie ain't got a ride or no loot. Yeah. Then comes the drama. Some other girl is claiming she's going out with you. All we do is make up, then break up. Why don't we wake up and see? When love hurts, it won't work. Maybe we need some time alone. We need to let it breathe.
So what's that supposed to be about, baby? Get free up your vibe and stop acting crazy. My girl, for the fourth time, make it very clear to you, you're very dear to me, and all me have me share to you, me not unfair to you. Woman, I want to really make you know that I will always draw near to you. But me know me not no fear to you. Me stand up like a man and I'll be there because I care for you. Long time you're telling me not a girl I compare to you. Woman, if you leave me now, I'm gonna shed a lot of tears for you. You want to breathe and still you're not exhaling. Say you want to leave cause this relationship failing. Ain't nobody said that it would be smooth sailing. Girl, I want to know why you're bailing. Ship yo. So what's that supposed to be about, baby? Girl, free up your vibe and stop acting crazy. Reminisce on all the good times daily. Why you tryna pose like I be acting shady?
Maybe we need some time alone, so we can just breathe. Let it breathe. Breathe out. Let it breathe. Breathe.
Put your feet apart. Now this is come together when the music comes on. It's hard to do without the music, but you're going to kind of go like this. I'm kind of like walking in the center. Alright? Just wait one more. Nothing fancy. Now all this is, I'm going to add to it, but all this is this motion, okay? But I'm going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, pop, down, up, or just go like right here. Down, pop, down, up, down, pop, down, up, down, pop, down, up, down, pop, or just with the pop. Go down, up, you pick what you want. Then you hear me say single, single, double. All right, stay low. We're going to go single, single, double. This was not good for this week. I was stuck on this one. Double. One more. Okay, so we'll alternate between those. You're going to hear me say step, touch up, it's quick, which is kind of like loose, right? So you're like So step back. So just wherever you go, and just step, touch up. So 4, 3, 2, 1. When you get here, you're going to give me a chop, 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 and a chop, chop, chop. So chop, 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 chop. Take it back, 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 chop, chop, go, chop, 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 chop. Bring it up, up, up. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back. 3, 2, chop, 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 go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to step slide left and right. So step slide, step slide. We're going to use Cedar's arms. She goes like this, throws it up, this, throws it up. So your arms go the opposite direction of the way you go. Do you have to do arms? No. Much better use the bigger muscles with your legs. Your paw, which is slide, up, slide, do it again, go, slide, up, one more time, go, slide, up, right there. We're going to do it with 4 heels to make this look like we're not just like hold down, right? What I want you to think about, so like that dot right in front of me, I'm going to put the dot in the center of my body. So what that does is it forces your hips to come. So you just look cute doing it. Okay? Do you remember Patrick Swayze being 30 when he's like, you know what? That's what we're doing. So just think, core center of your body, that's the core of your stated heel going here. It's going here. And so slide, slide, up, 4 heel center, go. 4, 3, 2, slide, slide, center, 4 heels, 4, 3, 2, you got the whole song.
So what'd you think? If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and go check out another workout on this channel. Tons of options and you never know when your next workout will be. If you're not local to Louisville or if you're interested in some on-demand classes, go check out our buildingbadassmamas.com. You can do your workout in your own living room and talking different types of workouts from cardio with hip hop cardio, hip hop tone, booty camp, and tons of strength and resistance training. Get access to this for $9.99 a month. There is no contract. You can sign up and you can cancel at any time. A little over 200 classes are right at your fingertips. All right, guys, go be awesome.